Hey everybody, we're going to be making the golden honey margarita. Now with this margarita, you do get a nice bite from the tequila, but that's mellowed out by the orange juice, lemon juice, and our house-made honey syrup. So I'm going to start out by making sure that our glass is clean and free of any chips or cracks. Then I'm going to rim half of the glass with coarse salt. Then I'm going to fill our shaker with ice. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of Don Julio Silver, 1 ounce of honey syrup, 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, and 1/2 ounce of orange juice. Then we're going to shake vigorously. Fill our cocktail glass with ice and strain the contents of our shaker over that ice. Garnish with a lemon wedge, straws, and we're ready to serve.